Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to start our unit number 4, Daffodils. The reading of the topic we have done already. So today we are going to start the exercise, the first part. So for this you will open your books, page number 46. Actually, this page is just for information, and there are few headings are given that you have to understand it. Before this you have to read it out twice or thrice, and then inshallah it will be very easy to understand. Okay, on page number 46 under the heading appreciate the poem. In this heading there are few topics in bold letters are given. The first one is rhyme scheme. So first we have to understand what is a rhyme scheme. Actually, the rhyme scheme of a poem tells us the pattern, or we can say the correspondence in the sound of two or more lines. So for this the stanza is given over here. The stanza is of 6 lines, and you will notice that at the end of each line there is a letter given over here. For example, in first two lines lines are I should like to rise and go where the golden apples grow. Now at the end you can see the letter A is written over here. It means the ending sound of these two lines, go and grow, is same. So it is making a scheme, a rhyme scheme. In Urdu, we can say it is a kafia, the similar sound of a poem which creates the beauty of the poem. So next two lines you can see where below another sky, parrot, islands anchored lie. Now sky and lie both sounds are same, so B is written over here. It means the scheme is different from the first one. AA mean it's a separate scheme, BB mean it's a next scheme, and last two lines there is written CC. It means again sound makes difference, goats and boats. Okay, now the rhyme scheme, it just create the beauty of the poem. Okay, next heading is personification. Now, what is personification? Personification is a figure of speech in which a thing, an idea, or an animal give ability to act like human beings. For example, here I'm saying, okay, now the example which the book is given, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. Now, tossing, it's a kind of movement, and it's a totally human ability, but in this line the poet is personifying daffodils like a human. It means that daffodils behaving like a human, so it is called personification. Now next two examples are in the first stanza, the second and sixth line. These two lines are the examples of personification. Okay, now see the next page, page number 47. The heading is simile. Now, what is simile? Simile is a comparison of two dissimilar things. Of two dissimilar things. For this comparison, we use the word like or as. For example, I'm saying Umar is brave as a lion. So here I'm using that Umar is brave as a lion. It means I'm using Umar as a simile. Now in next heading, the word is metaphor. Now metaphor is also a comparison. It's also a comparison that states that a certain thing is something else. For example, I'm saying Umar is a lion. So here I'm doing comparison, but the state of explanation is little bit different. Umar is a lion mean Umar is brave, but I'm not using the word bravery, so it is a metaphor. Now there is a question of 8 lines. Now you will read these examples and find out which one is simile and which one is metaphor. So the answers are given over here. You can check it out. And first you have done it by yourself, and then you will check the answer. Okay. Okay, on the same page, under heading listening part, it's a very easy paragraph, and for this you will first read out the passage on page 80 at the end of the book. After reading the passage, you will complete the blanks on the book. Okay.